in this question we calculate the phase, right? Exam Manipal, April 2019. We need to calculate the phase current and they said delta. First of all, they said delta voltage is same, right? That is VL is equal to VH, but the current is different, that is IL is equal to IP. So now the thing is we need to calculate IPH. As you know, the formula VPH is equal to IPH multiplied by Z, correct? So we are having the sequence RYYB. R means we are having the sequence of RYB, correct? So first angle we calculate IRY. IRY would be IRY divided by IRY. Next phase current can be IYB. Again that would be YB divided by ZYB. Next current can be the IBR. IBR would be R divided by ZBR, right? So ZRY we know that is 6 minus J12. As I told, the first angle voltage is how much? 400 volt. So in this VL and VPH is same, so we don't need to convert it. If it was the star connection, then we need to convert it. It would be 400 angle, correct? Another angle would be 400 angle minus 120 divided by 40 plus J30, right? And another angle would be how much? 100 angle minus 40 divided by how much? 25 minus. Now you just need to simply solve it, convert this denominator into the polar form, then you can convert, solve it, correct? So that was the, we got it as a phase current, yes? But we need to calculate what? The line current as well. And as you know, in the delta connection, line current is different. We are having formula for that, that IR equal to IRY minus IR. Similarly, IY formula is IYB minus IRY, and IB formula is IBR minus IY. Okay, so we know all the phase current RYBR, RYR, YB, RYR, and Y. How can you remember it? RYB, right? RYB, RYB. Understood? There is a sequence of RYB na, RYB, RYB, R after Y, YB, R. So you can remember it like this. And just simply put down the values of the phase current, but the phase current we will get it in the polar form. But for subtraction we need which form? Rectangular form. And you need to convert it, then you can. Got it?